Hi friends, good evening to all. Welcome to AI with Durga Sir just for
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Wonderful. Okay, in today 5 minutes concept, we are going to start a new topic. Yesterday, wonderful topic we discussed. Really, whenever I'm practicing that, because first time, so just from Python program, I communicated. Okay, from the code, I send a request to the ChatGPT or OpenAI. Now I'm getting the response because just we are seeing only one line request response line, but actually it is going to be helpful for me like anything. Okay, remember that. So that once that connection got succeeded, because first time I did, maybe yesterday only, I felt so just 1 minute I danced. The reason for that is this concept is required for me in my automation. In the automation, the basic funda is we should not send the request manually. Okay, remember that. So the request should send, the response should come, everything should be done automatically from the program. This is the basic fundamental. Okay, so this connecting with the ChatGPT, getting the response from the Python is the basic fundamental thing for the automation. That's why whenever I'm seeing that, I felt very happy. Okay, of course, even it's a very small thing also, but I felt very happy because that's very helpful for me. Okay, in my automation activities, right? Okay, so automation. Okay, tomorrow we are going to build AI agents. The basic, the first brick started about automation, about automation and about okay, just AI agents. Remember that. Okay, are you anyone tried for that yesterday? Especially working people, anyway, you have that chance. You are already having that idea. What about remaining people?
I tried, sir, but no output because I haven't paid money.
You paid the money?
No, sir. No, I haven't paid money, sir.
Just only $5 better to do that. Okay. So highly recommended, because so for if you while, so do you know, to upgrade our knowledge, to get our knowledge, okay, money wise acts as a tool, okay, to improve ourselves. Remember that. Okay. So because if you try, if you are going to try, then obviously you know next level will become very easy for you people. Okay, anyway, it's not going to be expired within 1 month, 2 months. It will be there, don't worry. Just very small, right? Okay. Yes. Okay, so that's all, friend. So this is really, it's a wonderful concept what I start. But anyway, so today and tomorrow, there is one special module I want to talk. But most of the times, revision, plus at the same time, some more new things are going to come into the picture. Okay, that's why as at the part of syllabus, I'm required to cover this. But sometimes, because in the last sessions we covered already, but now a bit in detail, some 1 or 2 more new points we are going to get. But that's why I don't want to spend much time here. I will keep a bit super fast kind of thing, because already we aware that. Remember that. So what module I'm ready to start is prompt debugging. Have you observed what is the word? Can you please spell out? What is the word? What module we are going to talk?
Prompt debugging.
Debugging. Sir, very simple. I wrote a prompt. I wrote a prompt. So something like you wrote a code, Python program or otherwise Java program. My expected output are not getting. Then automatically you require to identify the bug and you require to fix that bug. The process is by default considered as debugging. Remember this one. Where is the problem? Identify that problem and fix that problem. Fix that problem means solve that. Fix that problem. This process is by default considered as debugging. If it is the code, in the code you are doing this activity, that is called code debugging. If it is the prompt we are doing this activity, it is called prompt debugging. Okay, prompt debugging is a one good programming practice. Remember this one. That's why compulsory you people should aware that. But luckily we covered from day 1 onwards these things. That's why not required to keep much focus, but definitely I will cover. It will be revision plus some more extra things by default we are going to get. Is it clear for you people? What module we are going to discuss?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
There are almost 6 or 7 subtopics I will explain for you people. But mostly revision, don't worry at all. Okay, it's bit speedily only I will cover. Oddly today and tomorrow. Beyond that, I won't take much time. Okay, sir. Here, let me add one line. Okay, just for the sake of notes, sake for you people, if you feel comfortable. Okay. Yes. Can I? But the module we are ready to go for is prompt debugging. Okay. Here. Prompt debugging. Friends, this notes is helpful for you for your revision sake.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Very helpful.
Other you forgetting the thing, sir. So once we visit, then it got remember.
Yeah. Can you repeat? Okay. So
Yeah, for revision purpose. Because we are.
you can remember well. Yes, compulsory that thing, because we can't depend on our bleeding memory, right? 1 day or 2 days it can. Okay. Later we may forget. That's why. So after completing all these prompts, prompt engineering concept. So D1 onwards, whatever I covered, all these things combined into a material form I will provide. Please remain once. Just a matter of 1 hour or 2 hours if I spend, then automatically I will convert into neat material form. Earlier I shared, right? How many people remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For the module 1, okay, for prompt
Fundamental.
I will share. Definitely I will share for you people so that you will get much. Okay. So prompt debugging. What is the meaning of that? It means finding. It means finding mistakes in a prompt. Finding mistakes in a prompt and improving it improving it step by step. Improving it step by step. Okay, can you improve it step by step? Okay, so that what is the advantage? If the correct prompt is there, what is the biggest advantage by default we are going to get? Anyone can you please tell what is the advantage is? So that AI gives a better output. Correct, right?
Yes,
AI
sir.
gives better output. You are not giving the chance. You are not giving the chance to the AI, okay, to guess something. That is the biggest advantage what you people are going to get. Yes, this is if you can correct that, right? So now let me go for almost 6 or 7 sections I will explain for you people. Most of the things are already known things only, right? Sir, section 1. Okay, why prompts fail? Why prompts fail? Okay, so this is the basic fundamental thing. Okay, so here, why most of the times, can you please tell why the prompts are going to fail? Okay, just I'm writing some prompt. Why it's going to be fail? Yes, there are multiple reasons I told. Have you remembered, right? Incomplete prompt. You didn't write prompt clearly. Incomplete. Complete information you did not provide. Next, vague prompt. What is the meaning of vague? Vague means what?
Not to the point, general.
It's a generalized. No specificness. Specificness is not there. Okay. Next, missing content. Incomplete prompt means missing content. Next, sometimes you are not telling the role clearly. You are not going to provide role clearly. Okay, role must be required. So and so role. Okay, this is the role. Yeah, can you please act as this role? If you specify the direction so that now AI is going to act like this. So means the problem here, no role is not clear. Next, output format. Suppose if I'm not mentioning any output format, automatically, what is the problem here is? The bigger problem is the bigger problem here is so output format. It's going to give any format output. Maybe in the paragraphs which is not readable. Okay, my expected format is the JSON, but it's going to provide some normal paragraph format. It's always a problem. Next, overloaded instructions. Too many instructions in one line. Okay, too many instructions in one line. Clear division is not there. Okay, like clear division is not there. Like sometimes what will happen is ambiguity. In the first line you are telling, please explain briefly. Okay, in the last line you are going to tell, please explain in detail. After that, at the beginning you are telling, so can you please explain briefly? So in the last, somewhere you are going to tell, can you explain in detail for clear understanding, right? Now, so my AI has to consider your brief word, or otherwise in short word, or otherwise detailed word. AI is getting confusion. Okay, sometimes you are telling, okay, please provide access professional AI trainer. You told that persona you associated is act as a professional, but somewhere you are using, I want funny examples. Observe that, I want funny examples. Have you observed, right? Mismatch, ambiguity problem, ambiguous problem. By default, will come into the picture, right? Ambiguity problem. Next, hidden assumptions. You are going to assume something. I told at the beginning, my AI don't know your internal intentions. AI, so don't know your internal assumptions. Okay, AI knows only prompt, whatever instructions you wrote in the prompt, only that one only. It don't know any other thing. Any doubt about this? Is all these points already we covered, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, right. All these
Yeah.
things already we discussed in detail in the last sessions, right?
Yeah.
Are you finding anywhere any new point here?
No.
Okay, just for the documentation sake, 1 or 2 minutes I want to spend. Is it okay?
సో ప్రాంప్ట్
Yes,
డీబగ్ అంటే ప్రాంప్ట్ బెటర్ చేయడానికి రిపీటెడ్ గా కొట్టడం అంటారా డీబగ్గింగ్ అంటే అట కదా
Debugging means you have to improve the prompt. Okay, any mistakes are there, correct that prompt so that it's going to behave properly.
అంటే ఇటరేషన్స్ మల్టిపుల్ ఇటరేషన్స్ కొట్టాలంటారా
General body, sometimes what will happen in the prompt debugging, one time just I'm seeing, okay, what is the process also I will explain. There is a next topic is there, but anyway, just a way. Suppose here I'm seeing, okay, I thought that role is missing. Okay, I added role. Then I run the prompt. Now I got the response. But in this response, output format is not clear. I missed that. Then automatically what you are going to do? Add that. Add output format in the tabular form, in bullet form. Okay, like we added. Next, so I'm trying to run. Then automatically, so still something is missing. So I didn't spell out context, background information. This information is required for the beginner, not for experts. I didn't specify that. AI is providing in the generic way response. That's why let me correct that.
ఓకే ఓకే కరెక్ట్ అంటే
I'm getting my point right. What is the meaning of step by step?
ఏదైనా మర్చిపోతే మనం డీబగ్ లో అట్లా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి మళ్ళీ యాడ్ చేసుకోవడం
We are keep on adding until it is going to fulfill our requirement.
Sir, for example, as you said, right?
So, 1 minute. It's not Shivaram. It's not technical words. Just theoretical things what you people should aware. Okay, debugging means this is the exact definition. Nothing will be there. Okay, sometimes what will happen? The person with the experience, he can see all the problems at a time and he can fix it. But there are some people like me. So first I will correct some 2 or 3. Then automatically I will do that. Still I'm feeling something is missing. Then I will add something. Like you are from Java background, right?
నేను ఐఓఎస్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ సార్ స్విఫ్ట్ లాంగ్వేజ్
Okay. So generally in the program, if you are going to run, if you are going to compile like, so usually what will happen? Suppose 10 compartment errors are there. Assume that a small CoreJava program, maybe covered in your school or college days.
యా
Okay, 10 problems are there. What we are going to do? We will fix one problem, and then we will try to run, try to
Yeah.
compile. Then we will see, another problem is there. Then we will try to fix that. So first, your college days C program, have you remember BTech RMCA first year? There, if I wrote the program, then automatically I got 10 compartment errors.
Yes, sir.
Then I fixed that 9 errors. Then I
Yes.
fixed that 7 errors. Then I fixed that 2 errors. Then I fixed that 1 error, last 0 errors.
ఇట్ ఈస్ కంపైల్ అండ్ రన్ ఫైనల్లీ ఎస్
Getting right? So
Yes, sir.
it's not exactly this is the process you require to follow. Exactly like nothing. Anything is missing? Can you please identify the missing things? Or can you please do the corrections? And better to write the correct and better to make it a proper prompt. That's what a debugging. Yeah. Someone is asking. Yeah, another person, please.
If you try like this, the cost will be increased, right, sir?
Yeah, obviously. But how many times we are going to do that?
Depends on
Don't
the
worry.
prompt.
Wow, we are going to write a prompt only once. Okay, hardly 2 runs or 3 runs we are going to do that.
Okay.
But the same prompt is required to run crores of times, lakhs of times. Assume that.
Mhm.
Sir,
Okay, just
Sir, one more time. COH and debugging are both similar, sir. That is different.
COH is the prompting, what we call the reasoning prompting style. Okay, reasoning prompting style. I got some response. I'm not going to improve my prompt. Okay, boss, I got this response. Can you please improve this response? This failed response. Can you please improve? Okay, by using COH technique, like we are going to discuss. Improving the response. Here, just I will give one prompt. Now you have to provide prompt as output only, something like that. Can you please consider in this style? I'm not talking about output. Can you please, sir? So I will give one prompt to you. It's not performing, it's not fulfilling my requirement. Can you please do the required changes? And can you please make it better? And that efficient prompt, can you please return to me? Are you in the position to identify the difference?
Yes.
Okay, both the terminology is the different.
There we are improving the output.
Output,
Response.
correct.
Here we are improving the prompt. Correct, sir. Here
So,
debugging means not correcting, not a means correct. It's way of improving the prompt. Correct, sir.
improving. I mean, if there is any problems are there, any mistakes are there, we will correct those mistakes and correct version of, improved version of prompt we are going to provide.
Okay, sir.
That's what prompt.
But ultimate
debug.
goal, ultimate
can-
goal is to get the proper response, right, sir? Proper
Exactly.
output, right?
Exactly.
So
Okay.
COH is also same somewhat, right, sir? Same thing like that only, right?
Yeah, what will happen is COH, we never going to use the word, can you please generate the prompt? Can you please update my prompt? Can you please debug my prompt? Like, no. Array, I have some weak responses there. Okay, whatever response I provided to my girlfriend WhatsApp message, she misunderstood. Okay, can you please check and correct that, improve this response? Improve
Step
this
back.
response. For that, I'm writing the prompt.
Right,
Getting the
step
point?
back problem. No, sir.
That's the COH. Step
Yes,
back
sir.
is the different. Okay, but here I'm giving some prompt, man. Can you please write better version of this prompt? Final
Here we are focused on the only prompt.
Exactly. Final objective is to get proper output only. That is the final objective. Suppose here I will write one prompt. Assume that some what we call video generation prompt I'm writing. Video generation prompt I'm writing. This prompt, or otherwise this prompt, I record to execute every day morning 6 o'clock for the next 10 years. Observe carefully. How many days?
10 years.
Next
10 years.
How many days? For the next 10 years. 10 years. Now my question is, by run 2 or 3 times, make it clear. Make this prompt optimal or make this prompt good, improve this prompt, and then make it available for the next 10 years, same prompt. Is this one is the good? Or array, every day I'm going to provide some wrong output. Can you please improve this wrong output with the correct output? For that, I want to write the prompt. Which approach is the recommended? Shivaram?
Second approach.
Sir,
Have you observed, right? Which approach is the recommended?
sorry,
Make it. You didn't listen. Just observe that 2 approaches are there. One approach is, array, first settle this prompt. Once the prompt is perfect, no bugs are there. Perfect, everything is complete. It's the specific prompt complete, role is clear, RTCC, all the things are very clear for you people.
Yeah.
Then make it move to the production. Tomorrow morning 6 o'clock onwards, tomorrow onwards, every day 6 o'clock, this prompt is going to run, which is going to connect with the ChatGPT. And it is the responsible to bring some data. It is the responsible, okay, to create some video. Like, so this activity I require to do how many times is for the next 10 years, every day at morning 6 o'clock. I wrote one prompt, something like cron job. Okay, I wrote one prompt. Now, this prompt, every day improving the output Okay, so can you please check output got generated? If there is any chance to improve, can you please improve that? This type of approach is the recommended, or perfect prompt one time writing is the recommended.
Yeah, case one
One
better.
time. One time.
One time writing is always recommended. Correct, right?
Yes, yes.
That one time writing, that better output, what it's going to generate, that prompt is best prompt. That's why what I require to do is, if any mistakes are there, if any missing data is there, if any role is missing, context is missing, output format is missing, can you please debug? Can you please fix the better version of this prompt? Can you please give to me?
అంటే ఒకసారి ఫైనల్ గా ఒక ప్రాంప్ట్ ఫిక్స్ అయినాక అదే ఇంకా చేంజెస్ లేకుండా అదే రన్ చేయాలంటారా సార్?
Yeah, that's what.
Sir,
That
if
is going
requirement
to
is
fulfill my requirement. That's going to fulfill my requirement.
ఓకే ఓకే అంటిల్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ రీచ్ అయ్యేంత వరకు మనం దాన్ని
We will keep on
డీబగ్
improving.
ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసాం. ఓకే
Yes. If tomorrow model got changed, okay, I will change my prompt. But until the model is the same, I will run the same prompt, right?
ఓకే సార్.
Asking that out.
Like
Okay,
while
that's what.
Sir, just now you
Simply
just give an
we can
example of
say, sir, simply we can
right?
say that like COH focus on improve the version, but in that
Yes.
what is that current
D-
debugging the sense exactly the best the final output.
Final output prompt level optimization, not output level optimization. Okay.
Understand, sir, understand.
Yeah. So tomorrow, one debugger master prompt I want to provide for you. Meta prompt. Okay. There is that part is there in our topic. One meta prompt I want to provide for you. That name of that prompt is debugger prompt. Meta debugger prompt. Okay. It's a prompt. I wrote one prompt. What is the job of this prompt is? Okay. It's a debugger. What the job is? I will give my prompt. I'm giving some prompt. What it is going to do is, it will analyze my prompt. Boss, thus it is a generic prompt. Role is missing. Context is missing. These are the missing things. Now I'm trying to add all these things. This is the final updated prompt, correct improved version of the prompt. Like this debugger is going to provide the final prompt to me. Now that prompt I will use, okay, for my activity. Getting the point, right?
ఎస్ సార్, ఎస్ సార్.
Don't think too much. Okay, the COH step back, all those things are prompting techniques, reasoning prompting styles. But here I'm talking about, I wrote one prompt. Can you please, if there is any mistakes are there, anything is missing in this prompt, can you please correct this prompt? Tomorrow, COH prompt also I will give. Boss, I wrote this prompt. I wrote this COH prompt. Okay. Still, is there any problem in this prompt? Can you please let me know? Okay, like then automatically my debugger or the prompt the person who is performing debugging is going to analyze the prompt. Yeah, there are some corrections are there. Okay, these are the corrections I did. This is the COH prompt. Happily you can use. Prompt doctor, prompt level repair person is considered as the debugger.
యా.
Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
perfect. So now, up to this, whatever I covered, just for your idea's sake, what I want
Sir,
to
can
do.
we ask like this? If you write one prompt, so we can ask again the prompt, is this correct prompt like a debugging way?
Perfect. You can ask. For that, I told right. For that, I'm going to write one debugging prompt also. I'm going to write.
Okay.
Okay, I will show for you people. Don't worry. Okay. So just for your idea's sake, just let me, for your documentation sake. Yeah. Okay. Here instead of typing, you people can understand very easily, friends. Have a look once.
Sir, can you show
Ah.
them in the real time scenario like you see, like using
All
the
those things, we are going to
Copilot agent?
discuss. Just all those things we will discuss. Just we started. Okay, just wait. Don't worry. Okay, now have a look once, friends. Okay, Sir, just a basic idea, whatever I covered up to this, is the screen is visible? Please confirm.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
It means, so prompt debugging means, it means finding the mistakes in a prompt and improving it step by step so that AI gives better output. Okay. So why prompts fail? Okay. So the first reason, vague prompt. Vague means not specific. Vague prompt. Vague means not specific. Example, write about success. Example, if you consider, write about success. Okay. So here have you observed, right? Can I use the word, is it a better prompt? Respond. Is it a
Not
better
better
prompt?
from.
No, sir.
No, right? So write about success. Success for whom? For the student or businessman or athlete? Like now better version. Okay, better version. Write 200 words about success. Mindset for college students. See the difference? See the difference? Boss. So now I hope you people are in the position to understand. Sir, this is my input. Just this is my better version. I'm not telling this is 100% better version. I'm not telling. But anyway, sir, have you observed, right? A better version came or not? So
Yes, sir.
instead of vague, now a bit specific. Now, what things are added here? Please confirm. When compared with this one, what things are added here?
Output.
Clear
input.
So,
For
output
whom and output.
Clear
for which person? For which
Audience.
person?
Role.
Clear.
Some
Role.
specifications are added.
Output.
There are some
How many?
specifications.
format.
How many words? It's a more specific, not generalized. So write about success means regarding which success I have to write, how much data I require to write, nothing. So why prompts are going to fail? Because of this vague prompts, not specific. General prompts is always going to problem, right? Okay, any doubt about this one? Please confirm.
No, sir. Clear.
Yeah. Next, sir, the second one, missing context. What is the meaning of context? You know. Okay. Context means background details. Are background details missing? So suppose I'm asking, example, fix this code. Fix this code. Then immediately, so you may get the doubt. Are fix this code. Which language? What error? Nothing. You didn't specify anything. So the missing thing is there or not? Missing the context is there or not?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes,
If
sir.
I ask this one, fix this code, like what code, what problem, you didn't specify anything, then how my AI is going to tell the answer? AI simply is going to guess, okay, fix this code means generalized code it's going to provide. This is the problem, like it's going to generalize, but not specific output we are going to get. What I will do is better version, fix this Python code. It gives type error when input is a string. Okay, like that. Now AI understands clearly. Are you seeing the point? Okay, this is original prompt. This is the better version of the prompt. Respond.
Yes,
Am
sir.
I doing debugging or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Am I improved the prompt or not? By fixing
Yes.
some issues. Okay, that's what. Fix the problem. If any problems are there in the prompt, can you please fix those problems? Better to provide better version of the prompt. This is nothing but what? Debugging. At very top level, this is what it means, right? Okay, I'm not talking about what output we are going to get. Can I improve that output? That concept is the different. Here, I will give one prompt. You have to provide better version of that prompt by performing debugging. What is the meaning of debugging means? Identify what problems are there, fix those problems. Now I hope slowly you people are getting clarity.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Well, perfect. Now here see this one. So what is the third problem? Right? Role means, of course, no role clarity. Sometimes what will happen is no role is missing. Role means so how AI should act as? You have to provide direction. Acts as HR person, acts as interview person, or acts as a doctor, something like that. So now I'm asking, give advice. Give advice. Advice as who? Acts as doctor. Okay. So my age is some 30 or 40, 50 years age, feeling stomach problem. Okay, not feeling hungry. Okay, or otherwise there is a full fever for the last 3 days. act as experienced doctor. This is my problem. Can you please provide? Okay. So remedy or otherwise, can you please provide information about how I can cure better way? Like here, act as which person? Sometimes role is not missing. Role is missing means so we are not going to get correct output. Generalized output only we will get. Okay, like so advice, give advice.
Putting head.
Now, give advice. Advice as who? As the doctor, or career mentor, or lawyer, or advocate, something like you have to specify. Better version. Now observe this. This is the vague prompt. Okay, this is the prompt. This is the prompt. Now I'm trying to modify a better version of this prompt. Observe carefully. Act as experienced HR interviewer and give a resume improvement tips. Are you seeing the difference?
Yes, sir.
Clear role, experienced HR interview person or interviewer and give resume improvement steps. No role clarity. Next, no output format. This is also bigger problem. No output format. Give interview questions. Okay, role is missing. Or of course, let me consider output related. Give interview questions. How many interview questions? Yes, is it a short way or detailed way? Something like you didn't specify. Now observe that paragraph or bullet points or table like a better version. Give 10 HR interview questions in bullet points. Now output is structured. Okay, like so this prompt is not optimal. This prompt is very generic. Now this one is a better version. Okay, like next overloaded instructions. Yeah, this is the very important, sir. Overloaded instructions. Too many instructions in one line. Can you please observe that? Can you please observe this? Explain AI. Give history. Compare with ML. Provide code and suggest projects. Observe this. How many things he is asking in a single line? Okay. Explain AI. Give history. Compare with ML. Provide code and suggest projects. Too much. AI may miss something, break into steps. This is the most valuable, friends. Don't ask at a time huge data. If you are asking at a time huge data, then automatically something is going to miss. That's why better to break. I want complete AI information. Section 1, so and so. Section 2, so and so. Section 3, so and so.
Sir, I have a
Advjava.
doubt here.
Said
Sir, correct. So here you said too many what do you say requests. Let's say too many requests. Okay. I have too many requests, but they are clear. Okay. Now I'll just for instance, there is Shah Rukh Khan's movie. Okay, first day. You will just ask AI. Let's see AI or whatever ChatGPT it is. We'll just ask give a prompt. Just give me a prompt so that I'll get the tickets on the first day, and I have a limited petrol in my bike, and I have to go from this time to this time. Make sure that I just be home. I'll be home in this time to this time, so that my mother will not know that I'm out of the home for the movies. Yeah, you'll specify many requests over there, clear requests. With that clear
Okay.
request, it can give the output, right?
Yes, correct. But not in a single
Then
line.
there are
Right?
many.
Divide into multiple parts, multiple blocks. Okay, or otherwise
Yeah.
multiple steps. I require step 1, I require step 2, step 3, step 4. So that it is very easy. Suppose you are asking about, suppose, are you married person? Raju, are you
Not
married
yet.
person?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay.
Happy.
So wife usually is going to talk that. Are what she told? We don't know. She is telling that something like that. Most of the times, wife or husband language is life partner language is the same. Okay. So then automatically we may not in a position to understand.
Robots can understand.
Robots also can't understand, man. Okay. So sometimes it's a bigger problem. Here, especially, okay, ladies are there just for fun sake only, right? Especially wife. she's telling something. Arey, I didn't do that. She told. How? Then automatically you have to, how I can tell, suppose something like, just I required some, she's going to tell there is a function is there, assume that. Then she is telling, there is a function is there. Okay, shall we go to the function like? Yeah, why not? We should. Suddenly, at the function time, shall we start like? No, I'm not coming. Why? Where is the new saree? Where is the gold? Or where is dot like? You didn't tell right? You didn't tell right? That thing, how I can tell? You have to understand. All the married people, connections are going to be happened, don't worry.
Yeah, if you have specified before, I would have got a saree for you or some dress for you or some jewelry for you from
You
the
have
shop.
to understand.
No, so that
particular
Maja will
thing.
be there, sir. If that is the case, then only it will.
Savitri, yeah,
No. It is common. It is common. It should be there.
Yeah. Okay, so just for fun only, don't worry, because
It is common, sir. It is common.
we should understand. Yes, I can accept. Don't worry, I'm not ignoring. Okay, so then automatically, what will happen is, okay. Next, first time at the beginning days of my marriage life, so I faced this type of problem. Then automatically, okay, next time onwards, marriage is there. This is the checklist we require to take care. This is the function is there. This is the checklist we require to take care. Next time, there is something. Yeah, you require to understand that. What is the need of telling all the things like, that. But I'm keep on preparing the checklist. But when that checklist is going to end, I don't know.
That is debugging,
Never
sir.
going to end, sir. Checklist is never
That
going
is
to end.
debugging.
Between can we stars in sky, sir?
That is
Can we come into the stars in sky?
Yes.
No.
Here, the problem here is we should be very specific. Then only AI can understand. Your prompt should be very specific. Then only AI is not going to guess. Getting the point, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. There is a chance to close this checklist. I mean, we have to ask them to join DURGA Sir AI class. Then only they can.
The
prompt is proper. Then only the answer will come proper.
Not AI sessions. Not AI sessions. If your life want to be very simple, better to ask her to join in life skills.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now observe this. So the prompt should be very specific. The prompt should be, there is no question of assumptions kind of thing. Okay, like that. So just for fun sake, I'm telling. Don't think my wife is too good. She never going to ask me anything. She's going to take care. After my marriage only, I'm the happiest person. Do you know? Like I'm saying, happy because house support is there. Don't worry. Okay, just the example sake I'm taking. Okay, yeah. Now come back because this type of thing must be required, friends. Okay, the married people especially, I will take some special session. Don't worry. Okay. Okay, now
Sir, is this output after debugging? The statement you said that it is the statement after debugging.
Correct, man. That is the reason, right? Experienced prompt engineer, experienced. Fresher prompt engineer, fresher. Remember that. Getting right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now always better versions we require to provide. Overloaded instructions. Now in a single line we are taking all the things. Then automatically missy kind of thing. Too much. AI may miss something. Break into steps. Clearly, right? It's a clear, right? What is the missing thing here? Suppose you are asking about all the things in a single line, then automatically AI miss something. Section 1, section 2, section 3. I want this is the output. First explain AI briefly. Next, can you please provide history just in 100 words? Next, section 3. Compare with ML. AI and ML, what is the difference? Next, provide some code or suggest some projects at very top level. Okay, like if you ask the same into different style, then automatically AI response is going to be improved like anything. Remember that. Same. So this word, ambiguous wording. Ambiguous means what? Double meaning. Okay, double confusion. Sir, make it better. Better in what way? Shorter or professional or funny? You are not providing anything, right? Make it better. Better means what? You should be very specific. Next, sometimes in somewhere you are using the word short way explain. Somewhere in the prompt explain in detail. Okay, like so this type of sometimes professional way, sometimes funny way. Arrange the same prompt. How different tones you can maintain. It's always ambiguous. Confusion you are going to give. So such type of problem should not be there. Remember carefully. Okay, like next hidden assumptions. You assume AI knows something. Hidden assumptions. You assume AI knows something. Example, continue this. Continue what? Where is the previous data? Always provide required information. Hidden assumptions. So my AI model can't assume anything. So your internal intentions it don't know. What there in your mind it don't know. What your assumptions it can't understand. Everything whatever you want write in the prompt clearly. That's it. So section 1. What is the first part is why prompts are failing? Because of vague or because of missing context. Context is missing, or role is missing, or otherwise output format is missing, or overloaded instructions, or ambiguity problem is there. Okay, or hidden assumptions, like for all these things. Because of these reasons, most of the times prompt is going to fail. Just tomorrow, by seeing a prompt, you have to tell that, sir, these are the problems are there in this prompt. Let me correct those problems. That feeling, that mindset, automatically you require to build. That's what the prompt debugging. Is it clear, right? At very top level?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any explanation is required?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Now, let me go for the second section what we require to start. Okay. Just all these things are discussed. That's why a bit speed. So can I move a bit speed, right? The same speed, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, definitely.
If
No problem.
definitely I will spend. But here what is the name? Okay. Here section 2 I'm trying to take. Section 2, prompt refactoring. What is the word? Can you please confirm? Prompt
Refactoring.
Refactoring. What is the meaning of refactoring? Means structure improvement.
Sir, referring to section 1, we maybe almost all everybody in India maybe they saw that movie Robo.
Yeah.
He will ask that robot to look back and drive. He'll not ask him to ask that robot to look in the mirror, look back and drive. Look like and he will ask address, which address, IP address, all
Correct.
They don't give
Exactly.
him a correct prompt. He's an AI, right?
Correct. The same thing only. So if you are asking about, can you please provide address? Which address? You should be very specific.
School address, office address, IP address, MAC address,
correct.
many are there. MAC.
Yes, you should be very specific. Robo is going to ask her. I will tell the answer, but which address you want? Specify. What it will do is, AI is not going to question you. AI is always going to provide, most of the times, address means general address only. Not IP address or MAC address or something like let me provide general address, which may not fulfill your requirement. Then the problem will come into the picture. Okay. So now section 2, observe that.
Sir, you hanged. We can't hear you.
Yeah, seems to be some network issue.
For everyone.
Yes.
Yes, for everyone.
Let's wait 1 minute. Maybe something.
Sir, your voice is, we are not able to hear you.
You're mute.
Not audible, sir.
Still not audible.
You are on mute,
Not
sir.
audible.
You are on mute. Sir, please rejoin, and then it should be.
No, don't.
Now we are able to hear us.
Yeah, just I'm changing my net. Yeah, can you please cross check now? Is it audible now?
Yes, now.
Yes, sir. Now good.
Yeah, it's
Yes,
clear.
sir.
Yeah.
Good. Now it's good.
Okay. Now here refactoring means rewriting the prompt with more clear structure. Okay, in a clean structure, something like have you remembered at our childhood somewhere we covered RTCCO?
Yes, sir.
No,
RTCCO.
RTCCO.
Yes,
Like
sir.
we
Yes,
discussed,
sir.
right? What is
RTC
the meaning
conductor.
of prompt RTC conductor, like a prompt structure? Okay, like what is the
Roll.
role? T means what?
Task.
Which
Task.
task you require to perform? What is the next one? C means
Context.
context, background information. To whom, like a background information. To whom, like we require to provide context. Next, the C means what? Constraints. Okay.
Constant.
There any constraints are available. Next, O means what? Output format. Okay, output format. Okay, like we have. Suppose I have already one prompt is there with me. Okay, so I want to rewrite according to this. Okay, there are two more extra things I'm going to add for this. RTCCO is the format, perfect. Don't worry. But there are two more things I want to write. What I want to do is, if the big task is there, can you please divide the task into blocks, something like so task or output or these details, like can you please divide into multiple parts so that clear, more readability, more understandability to the AI model. Okay, this is one extra thing what I'm planning. The second thing is, there are some words which are repeated. There are some words which are repeated. There are some words which are not really required. Such a type of thing is by default considered as a noise. Can you please remove noise? Can you please remove noise? Noise means which are not really required. Which are not really required. Can you please remove the noise, like so these two are extra things. So converted into small blocks so that readability will be there. More like the next thing what we require to do is if any extra useless statements are there, can you please remove those things, like okay. So for this also, just a clear documentation I had. If you are interested, I will share. Otherwise, so just aware these points. Do you want me to share?
Oh, yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
Do you want me to share?
Yes, sir, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Okay, just all these, nothing is there. That's why because we discussed all these. That's why I'm not. What is the need of discussing again? Like that's about my requirement. Okay, now have a look once. What is the meaning of prompt refactoring? Is that clear, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of prompt refactoring? Means rewrite again your prompt. Rewrite again your prompt. Okay, like that. Now here just have a look once. How beautiful this material is going to be. Very helpful for you.
So we can say rewriting or recorrecting, no, sir?
Rewrite with the required corrections. Okay. So now here just have a look once. It's a clear thing whatever I prepared. Okay. Observe carefully. Yeah. Rewrite your prompt in a clean structure. Why it is needed? What the needs are? Why this concept is needed? Because AI can't guess your intention perfectly. It follows your instruction. If the instruction is mixed, output will be mixed. If the instruction is mixed, output will be mixed. Remember how it's going to work. The simple formulas are we discussed already. We will use these 6 steps. What the first one? Please read. What the first one?
Break long
Break
prompt
Long prompt
into
into blocks. What the next one? Add
role.
add context, add constraints, output format, remove noise, even add task also. Okay, task, add task. Now, sir, here just observe. Break into blocks. Block means separate sections. Okay, task, details, output, something like. Okay, break into blocks. Sir, this is the task. These are the details. These are the rules you require to follow. These are the constraints you have to follow. Something like output. Next, add role. Okay, add role. Not required to keep explanation. Act as HR interview or act as customer support agent, acts as like next context. Context means what? Background information. Next, yard constraints. Yard constraints. Constraints means limits. Limits like sir, you are write in simple English, max 100 words, use bullet points, something like that. Yard output format, table, bullet points, steps, JSON, code with explanation like that. Next, this is the new thing what you people should have. Remove noise. Noise means unwanted lines. Do it fast. You are the best AI. Repeated sentences, mixed instructions. Remove all these things.
And the subjective
Okay.
words also, no, sir, like better, properly.
That's what. Properly. Yeah, such type of things. Not at all required. Okay, noise. If any noise is there, okay. So if any dust is there in your prompt, can you please remove that?
In
Sir,
ChatGPT,
refactoring meaning
get
only I'm
dash of
unable to
sir.
understand, sir. Refactoring means
Refactoring means nothing. Can you please convert your prompt into structured, more structured style?
okay.
Okay, I will explain with an example so that you people can feel more comfortable. Don't worry at all. Can I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I go
So
for
this
a small
chat,
example?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Okay.
So this
Now,
ChatGPT
Yes, sir.
outputs will be given by dashes, no, sir. All the dashes in between. So we can ask it to remove the noise, like remove the dashes.
correct.
Then it will give an output without dashes. It will say,
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
hi, here is an output without dashes, and the
yes.
output.
We can ask whatever you are going to ask, clearly ask. The AI model is going to do that activity. Okay. Now, a simple example I'm going to take. So, refactoring means, Mohan Kumar, just observe that carefully. A simple example.
Yes.
Okay, I'm taking. Sir, here is, tell me about Python and also give programs, and also interview questions. Also interview questions and make it simple, and also give roadmap, and also give projects. What a wonderful prompt.
Good.
Projects we can mention there, giving bullet points, something like that.
Okay, example. Just can I use the word? Is it a messy prompt or not? Yes, friend.
Yes, sir.
Is it
Yes, sir.
messy prompt? Okay,
Yes, sir.
messy prompt. So tell me about Python and also give program and also interview questions and make it simple and also give roadmap and also give projects like wonderful example, right? What is the problem? What is the what problems we can see in this? What problem is there in this prompt, sir? Okay, too many tasks.
Role
in
is
one line.
missing.
Too many tasks in one line. Correct, right?
Yes.
In one line,
Sure.
total thing I wrote in a single line. No structure kind of thing. No structure. Okay. No output format. Next, too much noise. Which noise is there? And also. How many times we use this one? Can you please observe that? Too much noise. And also. Okay, like that. Is it a problem or not?
Yes, sir. No role.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
No role.
No
Task
context.
you are providing completely, but no context is not there. Now the same thing, what I want to do is, okay, let me write, okay, into a I want to write a refactored prompt. Okay, refactored prompt.
సార్ నేను
Now observe.
ఇట్లే రాస్తాను ప్రాంప్ట్ ఇంతకుముందు.
Yeah, what that?
మీరు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 1 ఇచ్చారు కదా, అట్లే తెలియక ముందు అట్లే రాస్తాను ప్రాంప్ట్.
Correct. So at the beginning, even I write multiple times these type of lines only. Okay. Sometimes I don't know this is called prompt. Okay. Oh, you can ask anything, just like chatting with my girlfriend. Okay, then automatically it's going to provide the response like. But I don't know this is called prompt. There is a structure. There is a prompt engineering concept there. I don't know that earlier. But now slowly I'm getting, this is the style we require to write in this way. Okay, because of these 20 days, luckily I learned like anything, friends.
Yeah, we are little masters now.
Okay, now refactor the prompt. Okay, up to certain level. So what I want to do is, by simply seeing here, tell me about Python, also give program, also give entry questions and make it simple, and also give roadmap and also give the projects. Also give. Okay. Act as a Python trainer for beginners. Python trainer for beginners. Okay, like that. Now, what is the task? Is the role is the clear, right?
Yes.
Role is the clear. What is the task? Okay, explain Python basics. Explain Python basics in simple English. Okay, like just I'm taking task. What is the context? Audience is college students and freshers. Audience is college students and freshers. Okay, like
Sir, here we are giving ambiguity. As a Python trainer for beginners, then again we are doing audiences, college students.
More context. Background information.
Yes, sir. For
Okay,
beginners, we can
yeah.
remove now, sir.
Okay. Yes, we can remove this part because so like even this one we are providing, right? It's the more specific.
Okay,
more
sir.
specific. If you want, you can remove. No problem at all. Okay. Act as a Python trainer. Okay, like next year you can use experienced Python trainer.
Persona.
Okay, experienced Python trainer. Something like okay, context. So here one thing, Mohan Kumar, no fixed rules.
Okay.
Remember careful. No fixed rules. Okay. Next constraints. Next constraints. What I'm taking is constraints.
With little or no knowledge on programming.
Short sentences.
Okay.
Use short sentences. Avoid complex words. Okay. Avoid complex words. Even this one also, if you feel that you can provide in this style, no problem at all. Just like our program.
Okay.
Next constraints. Like next output format. Output format. What I'm expecting? Output format. Okay. Sir, 5 key points. Okay. Next, sir, 2. One simple example program. One simple example program. One simple example program. Next, 5 interview questions. 5 interview questions. Next, 2 mini project ideas. Ideas like. So now, are you seeing the difference between this prompt and this prompt?
Yes, sir.
Yes, friend?
Yes,
sir.
So, just am I improved structure of the prompt or not? I'm rewriting the prompt in more detailed structure. This type of thing is called what? Refactoring. Remember carefully. If I run this one, so my AI model is not going to get confusion. It's going to provide clearly because everything is clear. Okay, no complex words and so on. Here, observe carefully. This is my ChatGPT. Just I'm asking like.
One minute,
Shivaram. 1 minute.
Yeah.
Now observe that. Yeah, experienced Python trainer. Let us understand Python basics in very simple way. Okay, 5 key points. Python is easy to read. Next, variables store data. Data types in like conditions if you also find. So these are the 5 concepts which are there in the Python general important Python basics. Next, and after that, one simple program check even or odd number. Even or odd number, how it's going to work. Very simple. You never find any complex word here. You never going to find any complex word here. Okay, like next is simple program. Next, 5 entry questions at very basic level. What is Python? Why it is popular? What are data types in Python? Difference between list and tuple? What is the use of if else? What is the loop? Why do we use it? Like 2 mini project ideas. Student marks calculator. Next, simple ATM simulator. Okay, like have you observed, right?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful.
Yes, sir.
Is it providing clear output or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What refactoring? If I ask the first question, okay, we will ask now. what way is going to provide the response and also like
new chat this one, sir. Malli context
yeah, correct. I will do that. Okay. If I ask like this, what is the response it's going to provide? New chat window.
ఇప్పుడు కూడా అర్థమైతే
Maybe mostly. Durga Sir, is the simple Python package, basics, programs, and equations. What is Python? Simple. Web development, data science, and AI, pandas, automation. Okay, testing, scripting. Wow. Why is the popular? Next, core Python topics, variables, data types, operators. Because I asked right, and also, right.
It's going like anything.
Yeah. Python programs with code. Example.
Sir,
even
this is
Ratan.
not a debug, right?
This is not debugging. Just I'm showing that.
Okay.
Just I'm showing what is the output. The prompt refactoring is also part of the debugging only. Somitri.
Okay.
Prompt refactoring also. Just we are improving the structure. Clear role, clear parts. Okay, like that. So it's a keep on. It will go like anything. Okay. So I hope it's clear for you people. What is the meaning of what is the meaning of refactoring in the debugging concept? Clear, right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
నాకు
friends.
డౌట్ ఉంది సార్.
One question. Can I go?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. Sir, yesterday we have run that API based execution, right? Means
Yes.
So there the input is like it's not the structured one. Example, say, yeah, we are giving that as either single word or something, but here we are giving like a step by step and everything. The output also here is like a UI we are getting as a kind of expected one. Okay, I can do the formation and everything. But if I running from the API, so input obviously I'm assuming it will go as a single line or multi lines, or how that output to visualization, sir, that one for the same
Output
prompt.
also. Yeah, here what I'm doing, from where I'm displaying this one to the console. Getting the thing. Just in the Python code, what I will do is I will what we call that output. I will structure that output, but by using some UI or something like.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is just here I'm executing and showing to the console. In the console, it's not in a position to show some format, output formation, all these things, right?
I mean,
That's why.
Yeah, that is our responsibility. Like that will give the response. You take care of, like we need to take care of displaying how we want it.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, Shivaram, you are asking something.
Yeah, sir. Act as a experienced Python develop trainer. అక్కడ రాశాను కదా, అక్కడ మనం పర్సోనా అనే హెడ్డింగ్ పెట్టి కింద ఒక పాయింట్ రోల్ అనేది పెట్టి కింద బిహేవియరల్ ఐడెంటిటీ అని like a friendly manner.
We can define, but actually role, with the role only we are going to define. Once you are specifying the persona, not required to talk about role.
Okay, అంటే persona
itself contains the role, right? You are associating behavior for whom?
Yeah, that particular role playing person.
What the need of specific role again?
అట్లాగా సార్, పైన హెడ్డింగ్ మాదిరి పర్సోనా, కింద ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ వచ్చేసి రోల్, సెకండ్ పాయింట్ వచ్చేసి బిహేవియర్ ఐడెంటిటీ. అంటే రెండు సపరేట్, హెడ్ సపరేట్, ద బిహేవియర్ సపరేట్ లాగా అనేది.
But generally I didn't see any prompt in that style. Okay, single acts as. So persona, role, everything is a single.
Okay, even behavioral identity also we can have.
Yeah, the part of that role only. Okay, so it's a keep on generating. Observe this, keep on generating. Okay, are you seeing the problem, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's all. This is refactoring. Can I go for one more example? Just
Yes, sir.
Just I will show you people so that you can understand clearly. Another example. Okay, just have a look once. Okay, this example. Example 2. Okay, beautiful. Yeah. Now here just have a look once, friends. Yeah, is it visible, right? Paragraph prompt to structured prompt. Sir, here anyone can you please read this prompt once?
I want you
I want
to
to act like
You're
you are
interviewing me.
interviewing me and ask questions and also give feedback and also tell improvements and also prepare me for job.
yeah, wonderful. Just this is the paragraph prompt. Okay, no structure, nothing
Too
is
much
there. Correct, right?
noise. Too much noise.
Yes, nice is also. Now, just let me refactor. Act as HR interviewer. Take my mark, HR interview. Context I'm a fresher, BTech CSC. Constraints, ask one question at a time. Wait for my answer. Give feedback in 3 points. Next, output format. Question, my answer check, and improvement tips. Okay, like. So now, have you observed the same thing only? But here, is the structure is there or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is the structure is there or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What refactoring? What is the meaning of refactoring? Means this is what you should aware.
Sir, we can go for another way of structuring also, sir. Can you please show that previous screen?
1 minute. Okay. So just it's asking, tell me about yourself. The question is asking, tell me about yourself. Okay. Just working. Yes. 20 plus years of experience, something like I'm asking. Okay, just a question, my answer. Okay, here feedback. This is incomplete. HR expert says structured introduction. You mentioned 20 plus, but context was fresher BTech CC. This creates confusion. No mention of technical skills, projects, or career objective improvement. Starts with education. Mention key technical words like now. Now please answer again as a fresher. Like wonderful, right? Okay, of course, it's start working. Now I have to satisfy that. Okay, then only it is going to accept and it's going to provide the next question. Okay, like that. So my AI is clearly going to understand, AI model LLM is clearly going to understand if it is in the proper structure.
Yeah.
Remember,
So, could you please show the noise prompt which you have written just now? So what my doubt was, yeah, here, okay, act like you're interviewing me, ask me questions, just remove that also and put a comma, give feedback, and also remove and also put a comma, and all improvements. I mean this all put remove and also, and at the last,
Raju,
just put an and.
If you and also just noise removing and then keeping in a single, there is no guarantee AI definitely is going to understand completely. Okay, remember that. So clear format. So what is the role? What is the role? Next, the clear task context. In this style, if you are going to provide, then more understandability by default will be there. Just in the only just I do the noise and then just adding the comma, automatically it will become better. Don't feel like that.
Okay, for a perfect output, we have to put it in points, right?
Correct. Clear structure should be there. Okay, even for you also. If I'm asking something, if I'm telling in more confused way, then you may have a number of doubts in your mind. Suppose here I told, this is the first activity. After completing this activity, can you please do the second activity? After that, can you please do this activity? Like 10 activities, one by one, everything clearly I mentioned. Then you people are going to feel comfortable or not?
Yes, sir. Jira ticket lo kuda manam step by step mention cheste automatic work start chesukovu.
We are not, there is no question of confusion kind of thing. Remember that.
Yes.
Sir, and technically, right? Say this the GPT architecture, transformer architecture. So this is mainly the keywords, all those things we are giving transformer to understand exactly our question instead of its own guessing.
Exactly. You are not giving the chance to guess AI. AI don't guess. I'm providing clear instruction. Based on that, can you please do my required activity well?
Yeah, our
Sir,
previous the before formatting the example and after formatting in the sense, second one we are giving clear instructions. This is what
Yes.
this task exactly. Yeah.
Exactly. So this process is by default considered as what? Refactoring. Refactoring is the part of debugging.
Got it. Yeah, yeah.
sir,
Getting
I
right?
have a question.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. When we are structuring our prompts and giving some bullet points, line breaks and all, so does this add a weightage to our prompt? I mean, let's say there is a weightage concept in graph also, right? So every word or every token, I mean, in the AI also. So what is the weightage to grapes and apple? So in very of the few first session you have teached us. So
Yes, yes, I remember.
do we have something like that if we are putting bullet
No, no,
points?
no. No.
Okay.
It's not. It's not. Weightage is meaning of that is the semantic meaning. Here, this is for easy understanding sake.
Okay, so it means that the instruction which we are giving is a formatted structure, is structured and GI
Easy to understand.
AI is easy to understand.
Correct.
So how it is, I mean, how LLM behaving, let's say there is a grammatical mistake. That is another thing. And there is a structure which I have written like and too much noise and then so how, I mean, it behaves when we are giving the structure, line breaks,
Sir,
structure.
very simple. So suppose at the beginning you told that experienced Python trainer. Getting the thing? At the beginning we told that acts as experienced Python trainer. Then automatically, internally, semantic level, what it's going to do, that thing. So experienced Python trainer, something like the what we call the words which are going to be near semantic distance. Semantic distance is close to that.
Okay, got it. Yeah,
Getting the point?
Yes. Words, semantic, and it is creating the knowledge base by the semantics. Okay,
Correct.
what I should have to do? What is the
Yes.
nearest semantic? If I put the two words, grapes and apples, in a one line, and another is something else. So yes, apple and grapes are same in semantics, and it's maybe the output of grape or apples is related to fruits only. So it will go
Yes,
to the
exactly.
fruit. Yeah, I understand.
Exactly.
I understand.
Yeah. That's what
Here
internal
also the
LLM.
same concept is working. Weightage also is working. Semantics weightage is working.
Yes.
Yeah. The word
Okay,
semantics
Mahesh.
to each other.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, that's all. So this is about refactoring. Any doubt about this one? Clear, right?
No, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Clear, sir.
Just up to this, just I'm stopping. Tomorrow I will explain checklist for the prompt. Okay, for effective prompt, what is the checklist we require to consider? Yes, there is a checklist is there, and then we will go for master meta prompt debugger. I will write one debugger prompt. Okay, if you can give your prompt, then it will convert automatically into more structured, more effective prompt. That thing I will explain, and then a small mini project kind of thing I will explain. With that, prompt debugging by default is going to be completed. Okay.
I will give you,
Next
sir,
odd
tomorrow.
tomorrow just only. Okay. Tomorrow we will complete mostly just in one session, worst case another, and then happily we will go for what prompt serialization concept. Okay. There are prompt styles are there, like LLM specific styles. Just outline at least I will try to provide. And after that, prompt chaining I will discuss. Prompt optimization, there is a concept there. I will discuss with you people. So that another oddly 1 week around, we will complete all these things, and then happily we will enter into next level. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Right, sir. Thank you.